We went out for a test sail today in 15 knots of wind, and we were past 8.5 knots. It was really just cooking along. It handled really well.
Good morning, everyone. We're on board a Leopard 384. She's a 2010 model. About to take her out for a test sail, so come and join us.
Hydrotherapy 2 is a beautiful boat. It handles really well. Lots of space for the size of a boat. Super easy to park. It's got every amenity that you would really want. It's got air conditioning when you're dockside, radar. It's got tons of spares. The boat's very well maintained, so the tracks are lubed, so the cars run very well for raising and lowering the main. It's got a handheld electric winch that makes it a lot easier to get that last little bit of the mainsail up. I single hand all the time. This boat would be a great for someone who's looking to just get into cruising. You can go up on the trampoline and relax and watch the dolphins or just watch the stars, which was one of my favorite things to do at night. The reason I purchased the boat, honestly, was to go cruising. And it's a great boat for that. One of my favorite destinations is Tangalooma. I only draw a meter of water, so I can get up into much more shallow places than other boats. It sails really well. It handles very well. I've been in really rough conditions. It has handled it perfectly because it's solid glass under the waterline, so it's able to punch through any chop and handle the sea state. So there's 1,000 kilowatts of solar, a wind generator, so you can generate power day or night. The mainsail, Genoa, and a beautiful parasailer for downwind. Oh, and it's got, for the engines, they're 27 horsepower Yanmars. I'm very meticulous on that, so it's 2.6 liters per engine per hour, 2,700 RPM. So we can run for days on the 350 liters of fuel on board. I've been off grid on this boat. If I didn't need groceries, I wouldn't go back. It's a galley up design with a 2-burner propane stove. It's got a freezer and a refrigerator. Because I increased the size of the fan, it'll make ice. That's how cold it gets. It's 4-berth, 2 heads. The rear cabins are full-size beds. Forward is a standard forward berth plus a 4-peak berth. Engines are constantly maintained. I have a full service done every 100 hours. I've got documentation for exactly what belt to buy replacement parts for, exactly what oil is used, and where to buy it. Tender's got is a 3.1 meter long high field with a 9.9 mercury that I keep very well tuned. It's got a stabilizing fin on it so that it gets up on plane faster. If you're looking for a good sailing catamaran that has good performance, good amenities, and is at a good price that doesn't break the bank, this is definitely the boat for that.